Hello, in this video I want to show you how to invite friends to your group in No Man's Sky. To do this, we'll need to click on the escape, then go for the network, and right here you can see your current group. Now to invite people, you can either click on view nearby players list, and if they allow it, you'll be able to invite them. There's also option to invite your friends, and you can view your No Man's Sky friends list. Now select whichever friend you like and click on them to invite them to your party. If you want to add any friends by name, then click on add No Man's Sky friend, enter their name right here and do the same thing. Simply click on them with the left click of your mouse and they'll be invited to your party. Now if you're playing on Steam, it's even better because you can click on shift and tab by default to open your Steam overlay. Then right click on any friend and click on invite to game. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.